And turning now to the coronavirus pandemic in our state, we are closing in on nearly 122,000 cases. But the good news is positivity rate now at an all-time low. And with numbers like that, a huge move today. High school sports, they get the green light to start up again now, and it could be as soon as next month. Kids and coaches, of course, forced off the field with practices originally put on hold to help prevent the spread of the virus. WJZ investigator Mike Helgren live in Anne Arundel County tonight with this major announcement from the governor. Mike.
Rick, student athletes have been sidelined since March, and the governor and state school superintendent say it is now safe for them to play and for fans to watch.
There have been parents clamoring and protesting outside of my house in Annapolis.
Governor Larry Hogan and the state superintendent announced high school sports will be coming back next month, with practices starting October 7th and games on October 27th.
Parents all want to keep their kids safe, but many of them have really been strongly pushing to get the kids who need it the most in class for face-to-face instruction, and they've been really pushing to get some fall sports going.
This reverses an earlier decision not to allow sports until spring. Local school systems are still in control, though, and if they choose, can wait to allow games.
We have kids that are leaving our state to go to other states to play high school football.
One of the parents who pushed for sports to return, former Governor Bob Ehrlich.
I see 3/4 of the country playing. I see a couple thousand high school football games have already been played around the country. Some in states with worse numbers than ours.
His son is a junior quarterback at Broadneck High in Anne Arundel County.
I see other high school teams playing, and you know, it's really frustrating for me right now.
Do you like Miss Burnett? She's a good teacher.
Governor Hogan also toured a school in Frederick County and urged more schools to reopen their classrooms to in-person instruction, citing the lowest positivity rate since March.
I know they're not ready to open all the schools, but they do have to start some in-person classroom instruction.
The teachers union in Anne Arundel County says they're concerned about bringing students back inside classrooms. I asked whether they feel pressure from the governor.
Our main goal is to make sure that the health and safety of our students and our staff is really secured.
And the union says the superintendent has not been communicating with them. The superintendent tells us that that is not true and that they have been given a seat at the table for reopening discussions. Reporting live in Severn, Mike Helgren, WJZ.